How are you and what are your impressions about the event?
I think honestly it's an amazing event. It ticks a lot of boxes. We have people from the agency side, from the client side, from the publisher side, talking about all the hot topics in the industry, as well as people from different regions. So that's super interesting for us to hear the thoughts of other professionals, see what are their struggles in their certain markets. As well, it caters to different verticals and different sectors. We've saw banking, we've saw telecom, we've saw FMCGs. So I think it's super interesting and super fruitful, to be honest.
So can you summarize for the ones who couldn't watch, what did you talk about inside?
So the hot topics right now are the third-party measurement. I think globally advertisers and agencies are pushing for third-party measurements because taking data from the source itself is not something acceptable anymore. And if I am to summarize the 2 days, I think the bulk of the contents fall under that. Digital is growing tremendously, the consumers are there, but at the same time advertisers are spending a lot of money, and it's not like the old days, I just spend there and then I see what I get out of it. They're being more demanding, and it's the right to get more and more clarifications and verifications on numbers. And I think this is mainly what the sessions are trying to hint to the what metrics are important and how to get the right party to measure those metrics for you and how to look at these metrics.
So what could be the opportunities we can face in this environment?
The opportunities is, in my opinion, are two major opportunities. So better measurement, which helps everyone and gets a lot of verifications. And I think the second opportunity, and it's something that we discussed as well yesterday slightly, maybe it's healthy for hopefully next time to dig more deeper into it, is as well the creative. There's a lot of education that needs to be done for all parties, from clients to agencies, that people, it's a mobile first world now, and we need to think of how to talk to those consumers from a mobile perspective rather than from a TV perspective and just not adapt it on mobile.
Thank you very much.
More than welcome. Thank you.